Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pavan. You are watching Yoga Buddies, so let's get started. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna introducing with a different asana. Personally, one of my favorite asana. The asana is Halasana, and with it, I'm gonna tell you the information of this asana, advantage, precaution, and the technique and preparatory poses of this asana. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let's get a little bit information about this asana. So Halasana is also called Plough Pose just because Hal is equal to Po and Asana is equal to Pose. So Halasana is also called Plough Pose just because of this. And then let's move on to the advantage of this asana. So guys, Halasana is personally one of my favorite asana included in my daily practice. So Halasana has a lot of best benefits. Here I'm gonna tell a few of them, but I don't want to waste your time, so you can take a screenshot from the screen. So here's the advantage of the Halasana. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you the precaution of this asana. So avoid this asana if you have any of them, because it will be harmful for you by practicing this asana if you have any of the precaution. So take precaution and be healthy. So guys, here's a few of them. You can take screenshot. So guys, let's start our preparatory poses for Halasana. The poses that which helping us for doing the Halasana. So the first pose is camel pose. You have to come in your mat in the tabletop position, your hands below your shoulders and your knees below your buttocks, and then with the inhale, curve your belly and then look at the sitting side, and exhale, suck your belly in and look at your navel point. Inhale, exhale. Do this movement for a few times, and then after that tuck your toes in the position of mountain pose. So for that, bend your left leg and then your face towards right leg, and then after that bend your right leg and face towards left leg. Do this movement 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after that, touch your heels on the mat and then in the position of Muktasana or downward facing dog. So then walk with your legs and then back. Cross your both hands and then let the weight of your head fully hang out the body. Hang in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fully towards the mat. And then after that, you should come, make sure to 3 to 4 feet distance between your both feet, and then place your palm in the mat and then look at the forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend your both legs in the position of Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now just sit in your mat in the position of Dandasana and then open your leg as much as you can. Now raise your both hands up and then your navel point towards your right leg, and then with the inhale and exhale. 1, touch your forehead in your knees. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now do it in opposite side. Go down with a deep exhale. Make sure your both feet should be active. and then trying to look at your toes. Touch your chin in the shin bone or your knees. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that, make the practice more comfort to the Sarvangasana. So for that, raise your both arms up and then twist your body, grip your feet with your opposite hands. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in another side, if you are a beginner and not do like that, so you can practice as much as you can, like in this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that, let's start with third variation. For that, grip your thighs with the another leg and then bend your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now raise your hands up with a deep inhale and then exhale with a deep exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly come back. So guys, this is the preparatory poses of the asana. So let's start the main practice of Halasana. So guys, let's start the main practice of Halasana. So for that, you need to sit on Dandasana and then bend your leg, raise your both arms up with a deep inhale and exhale. Hold here for a few times and then slowly come back. Do this on another side. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now slowly come back, and then this time you need to raise your both arms up, deep inhale and deep exhale. Slowly come back. This is the 3 asana I suggest you to do before Halasana, because these 3 asana we warmed up your body for Halasana. So Paschimottanasana, and then do this movement. For a few times, and then trying to stay in it. Give a support to your back as much as you can. You need to stay in it. Now slowly lie your toes in the mat and then keep your hands straight. Hold here for a few seconds. This is the position of Halasana. Slowly come back. This is the position, the easiest way of doing this asana. If you having another problem of doing the Halasana, so let me show you 2 more ways of this asana. So let's start the first one. Let's make a pile of pillows. You can use chair or a table instead of pillow. So for that, lie on your mat and then in a 90 degree walk towards the wall, and when you come in this position, give a support to your back, then slowly raise your legs, and now go down, move down until you reach at the pillow. Now straight your both knees, tighten your knees for Halasana. Straight your hand or give a support to your hand and do this movement, stay in it for a few times. Now slowly come back and then keep relaxed and do one more time. But in this time you need to remove all pillows or chair. Now do the full Halasana by this position. Slowly come back. This is the first method of doing Halasana for beginners. Now let me show you the second method of doing Halasana. So guys, let's start our main practice of Halasana. So guys, for that you need pillow or blanket. So you can use these types of cushions or this type of pillow. So I am using this type of pillow for my today practice. So for that you need to firstly put your forehead on the mat and then make sure you have to touch your back neck on the pillow, and then slowly raise your knees and then slowly drop down. In this position, when you curve up, make sure your knees are tightly straight, and then you can straight your hand from the back and then come in this position. If you are familiar with the Halasana or a Ubhaya breath, you can do Ubhaya breath here. And in this position, we have to stay for a few minutes. So you can, if you are unable to do this position, so make sure to make your toes out. But if you are familiar with Halasana, you can make it in. So give a support after some time to the Halasana. And after this practice, slowly roll back, and then this is the position of Halasana. So I hope you are able to do this asana and know something new in this video. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you get my new video notification first. So guys, thanks for watching. Namaste.